Can feeling happy actually affect how attractive we look to others? We're going to talk about that today, along with 5 areas that affect our looks and our health. Hi, welcome to today's video. My name is Mimi, and this is Simply Sophisticated Over 50. The question is, can our happiness or lack of happiness affect how we appear to others? Beauty and happiness are thought to be 2 separate factors in life. Beauty is thought of as skin deep or physical, and happiness is thought of as an emotion that has no relation to beauty whatsoever. Well, it has been proven, and studies have shown, that happiness and beauty actually are interrelated and they go hand in hand. I want you to think of someone who is happy all the time, maybe someone who smiles a lot, somebody who seems to be at peace and has joy. Think about them and how attractive they look. On the other hand, think of those who are sad. Maybe they're bitter, maybe they're angry, maybe they're anxious and stressed all the time. They don't look as physically attractive. When we're happy, our body produces endorphins that causes our face and our muscles to relax and our body language to look more approachable. We become more attractive. Well, how can we fix that in our everyday life? There are stressors in life that can cause us to be anxious and fearful. Today we're going to address 5 areas that can have a huge impact on our emotions and even on our physical appearance. We're going to jump right in today and look at these 5 areas. Some of them we might go more in depth on other videos, but today we're just going to touch on 5 things, starting with number 1, environment. Environment, this can mean your workplace, your home. This can mean physical as well as relational. So if there are things in your home, maybe your house is cluttered, maybe your workspace is cluttered, and maybe it's just really causing you a lot of anxiety and stress. What has really helped me, I did a book review on the Flylady, Marla Cilley. I'm going to link her information in the description box below. She has authored several books that are very helpful. She also hosts a YouTube channel. She has very helpful videos. She also has an incredible system of how you can get your home organized. A lot of people love to do spring cleaning, but the way she has it set up is where you're constantly, continually, and consistently addressing the issues in the areas of your home so that you don't have to do spring cleaning, and so that your home is always clean and beautiful. Another thing you can do to improve your environment is maybe add a few pieces of decor. Maybe you might want to redecorate, or maybe add some things that give you joy. Maybe add some things that brighten up a room. Maybe some lighting, maybe some fairy lights, just something that might make the mood and the atmosphere pleasant and happy. Number 2, emotions. Our emotions play a huge role in who we are. Our mental health, our positive outlook, or on the other hand, if we have a negative outlook, we might need maybe some friends that would encourage us. Maybe if there are a group of ladies that you can reach out to or maybe spend time with that might help encourage you, maybe that might help you with your goals. These things are so important. It's also important to take time for ourselves to pull away, to pull aside, maybe to just have a change of scenery every once in a while. Maybe go out for a cup of coffee. Maybe go out to lunch with a friend. Maybe we need to pull away or pull aside and reflect on maybe things that we want to change in our life, maybe things that we want to add, maybe things we want to add to our routine. One thing I want to mention is I am not a doctor. These are opinions that I have, things that have helped me along the way when I've had issues with anxiety and issues with stress. Next on our list, number 3, food. Food is fuel. What we eat, our eating habits, that affects our physical body, and it also affects our emotions. It affects our mental state. It also affects how we feel and how we feel about ourselves. There are so many programs, there are videos out there, there are diets, there are eating plans. What I've done is I've come up with the best menu plans for me and for my family, what's going to be healthy for us, and that's going to be different for everyone. And it might even be different for individuals in your household. Food is important. And I didn't realize how important food was until a few years ago when I was having that afternoon slump after lunch. I was at work and I just needed a snack, but I noticed I was eating the wrong things. I was eating way too much sugar for me, and it gave me a foggy brain. I couldn't think clearly. It affected me not only the way that I felt physically, but even intellectually and emotionally. Along with eating healthy foods, I also exercise and I also do stretches every day. That really makes a difference in my life. If I don't do stretches, I don't feel like I can move. I don't have the good range of motion that I need. And also I have more energy when I do exercise. So I find that for me, exercise is critical. It's very important along with eating healthy foods. Number 4, finances, present and future. It's so important to know what to do with your finances. There are 3 areas in our finances: spend, and we all know how to spend money; save, right? We know how to save, maybe invest our money; and then sow. Sow your money into something that is going to benefit others. Those things all work together for you to have a healthy budget. Another important factor of finances is preparing for the future. Whether that means life insurance and having something for your family if something were to happen to you, whether that means to make sure that you have the right health insurance. I've been in the insurance industry for years, and I have clients who rely on me to make sure they have the best products they need, to have everything that would help them for the future, to have everything to make sure their family is taken care of. There is nothing more rewarding than educating my clients and making sure that they are taken care of, so that they can have peace of mind. And last, but certainly not least, number 5, faith. The importance of having goals, dreams, plans. The importance of having a relationship with God that is going to help you to be able to cast all your cares upon Him, to be able to lay down all your worries and anxieties. There is nothing more important than that. Also, when we have goals and we have dreams, we want to have a plan to be able to reach those dreams. I can't stress enough how important it is to have a positive attitude in life. Also, it's so helpful to have friends, or maybe have a safety net of those that you're accountable to. Maybe those that when you're struggling, you can call on them and they can help lift you back up. Or maybe those that will celebrate with you when you have those victories. When we have these 5 areas in balance, and we've addressed these areas and try to improve on these areas, we're going to have a more positive outlook. We're going to be more attractive on the outside as well as on the inside. I hope these tips have been helpful for you. I want you to comment below if you have any questions about anything I've talked about today, whether it's insurance, if you want more information on that. I can help you with Medicare, with health insurance if you're under 65 as well. I can help you with dental plans or supplemental plans. I can also help you with life insurance. If you have any questions or any comments, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more videos for the woman over 50. Thanks for watching. See you next time.